Are you ready to take your earning potential to the next level? Well, hold on to your hats because I'm about to introduce you to the ultimate money-making machine, ChatGPT. This advanced AI has taken the world by storm, and it's quickly becoming the go-to tool for making money online. And the best part, you don't need any fancy degrees or expert skills to make it work for you. So let's dive in and explore all the ways you can use ChatGPT to start raking in the cash. First up, we have the studypool.com money-making opportunity. This website pays thousands of dollars per month for answering questions on various topics. And the best part, you don't have to be a genius to do it. All you need is ChatGPT, your trusty AI sidekick. Simply copy and paste the question on ChatGPT and boom, it will instantly provide an accurate and original answer that you can submit and earn money from. It's like having a personal tutor at your fingertips, 24/7. Next, did you know that ChatGPT is capable of building other AI bots? That's right, you can cash in on the robot takeover by using ChatGPT to write code for a chatbot or a bot that automatically replies messages on social media. On a website like Upwork, you can actually get paid hundreds of dollars up front for this, and ChatGPT will get it done in seconds. Plus, you don't need to know anything about programming. ChatGPT will even tell you how to implement the code that it writes for you. It's like having your own personal robot butler. And then we have the translation money-making opportunity. One of ChatGPT's amazing specialties is being able to translate text from one language to another. With a website like Guru.com, you can earn up to $50 per hour for translating text. Just copy and paste the text on ChatGPT, and it will instantly translate it for you. It's like having your own personal translator, who also happens to be a super intelligent AI. You can use this opportunity to expand your business and reach a wider audience by communicating with people from different countries and cultures. As you can see, ChatGPT is a powerful and versatile tool that can help you generate income from home in a fun and engaging way. You can use it to learn new things, automate your daily tasks, expand your business, improve your customer service, and engage with your audience. So, if you're looking for ways to make money online and add some excitement to your life, give ChatGPT a try and see how it can work for you. Whether you're looking for a full-time income or just some extra cash on the side, ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals. One thing to keep in mind is that ChatGPT is a tool, and it's up to you to use it in an ethical and responsible way. So make sure to read the terms and conditions of any website or platform you use with ChatGPT. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful and versatile tool that can help you generate income from home in a fun and engaging way. Give it a try and see how it can help you achieve your financial goals. With ChatGPT by your side, the sky is the limit. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more.